So what we're going to do now is just learn our notes of the treble clef, all right, and then our bass clef. Right. So if I draw this note here, what note is that in treble clef?
It's a little circle thing.
Yeah. What note is that? So that circle thing represents a length of time, so it has a separate name, but that position, that note on underneath the stave or the staff with a line through it, represents a pitch on the piano.
I'm not sure.
So this one is C. We call this middle C, okay? But the actual note name is just C. But it's middle C on the piano. Why? Because it's in the middle of the piano. Yeah, it's the middle of the staff. So that's C. And then what's this note here? Yep, D. And then what are these circles called?
It was just like a whole.
Yeah, if you were American or were learning it through American English, you would say whole note. So we can say whole note here. But in Britain, we would say semi-breve. Semibreve. Semi-breve. So in Britain, in Australia as well, sometime, we would say semi-breve. How long is a semi-breve?
Is that wait,
Yep, so that's a 4-beat note. And then if I draw another one, if I draw the black note, what's that one called?
is that a crotchet?
Yeah, crotchet. What's the American?
Oh, not sure.
So the American's a quarter note. How long is a crotchet?
Is that just one beat?
Yeah, so it's one of, we would say that it's one beat out of a whole. Yeah, so there are 4 crotchet in a whole semi-breve, if you were like conflating the terms together. So a good way to remember the American system is that a whole note is like a hole in a as a fraction, like just, and then a quarter, there are 4 quarters in a whole. Then the next note will be an 8th note, so there are 8 notes in a whole. Yeah. So the American system is very mathematical. What do we call the white?
Is that
What's the do you know the? Yeah, it's a half note. And what do we call the one with the flag on?
what? Oh, is that like a